Anna is a nurse. She works in a big hospital. She is young. She is kind. She always smiles. Every day, Anna helps people. She gives them food. She gives them medicine. She holds their hands. Many people love Anna. But Anna is not happy. She is tired. She is sad. She works all day. She works all night. She eats little. She sleeps less. Still she works. She cares. One day, something bad happens. A man comes to the hospital. He is angry. He is loud. He says, "You hurt my mother." Anna says, "No, sir. I help your mother." But the man shouts, "You are a bad nurse." He throws a chair. He breaks a glass. Anna is scared. She cries. No one helps her. The man leaves. Anna sits alone. She is not hurt, but her heart is broken. She thinks, "Why did this happen?" She thinks, "I only want to help." She goes home. She feels very small. She wants to stop being a nurse. She wants to quit. But that night, she gets a message. It is from a little girl. The girl writes, "Dear Nurse Anna, thank you. My mom was sick. You smiled at her. You gave her hope. Now she is better. Thank you, Nurse Anna." Anna reads the message. She cries again. But now her tears are warm. They are not sad tears. They are happy tears. She thinks, maybe one person hurt me, but many people love me. The next day, Anna goes back to work. She is still scared, but she is strong. She walks to a room. Inside, an old man is sick. He looks at Anna. He smiles. Anna smiles back. She holds his hand. She says, "I am here." The old man says, "Thank you, dear nurse." Anna feels hope again. Days pass. Weeks pass. Anna still works hard. But now she feels joy. She laughs with her patients. She sings with children. She wipes tears. She gives hugs. Then, one day, a woman comes to the hospital. She looks at Anna. She says, "Do you remember me?" Anna says, "I don't know." The woman says, "You helped me last year. I was sick. I was alone. You stayed with me. I was afraid, but you made me feel safe. Now I am strong, and I became a nurse too." Anna is surprised. She hugs the woman. Tears fall again. Happy tears. The woman says, "You gave me hope. Now I give hope too." Anna learns something that day. She learns that kindness grows. One small smile can make a big change. One soft word can heal a heart. Anna is no longer sad. She still works hard. But now, her heart is full. She remembers the little girl. She remembers the old man. She remembers the woman who became a nurse. Anna is not just a nurse now. She is a light for many people. And that light will never go out. Message to the listener. Thank you for listening to this story. Did you feel happy? Did you feel sad? That is good. English is not only words. It is also feelings. You are learning English. You are doing great. Remember, you are strong. Keep learning. Keep growing. And like Nurse Anna, never stop helping others. You can be a light too. If you like this story, please click like and click subscribe and ring the bell. It helps more people find this video. Keep learning. Keep growing. We believe in you.